Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my work, today's subject, and she's a model, belongs to Southern Cross, the one of the best model agency in Okinawa. Well, and I also ready for this image, which I used Adobe Photoshop filter called Find Edges to get this line drawing type image. And well, I'm gonna try to make watercolor image from this and this one. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna use move this layer in between these two, and I'm gonna turn on this layer, line image, then change that blend mode to darken, so I can see through underneath. And I'm going to take this one to take this one to fade it down. You fairly see that color and stuff. Okay, now I'm going to choose that watercolor brush, and there is 5 of them. Then I'm going to use watercolor wash flat as always, and size biggest, largest one, and water flow 100%. Then color, take one nice blue color from this one, maybe this much, and okay, let's use that. I want to make it more pastel, colorful colors on background, so let's go with the blue first. And maybe pink, magenta. Won't see much. Okay, and well, if you turn this one off, you can see some colors on here and here. I put the blue and magenta color, and I add some orangish color on here. Okay, try on add another layer for her skin tone. I just want to check that the lighting come from main light from the right hand side of her to down the shadow area here. So I'll press it down to 10% or so. I'm gonna light colors here, less. And now turn this image, base image, then turn this color off for background. I only see that skin tone now. It's real fairy. See it. Okay, I'm gonna add more on this for a little more darker. Well, I'm gonna try on watercolor around detail, then make it bigger on shadow area. And hand too. Okay, let's check that her makeup. Turn this off. So pink magenta color on her eyeshadows area. I'm gonna add some lighter skin tone to here. Okay, now I'm gonna add some hair. I'm gonna add another layer. Then I think more yellow in it on light side. Add another layer for ribbon on her head. I will change the color of her this ribbon, dark red. And then more saturated color on highlight side. Now I'm gonna put with a hair layer to put some eyebrow and stuff. And some lips on here too. Now I'm going to put some teddy bears. Base image. Yeah, let's make it 70%. And well, first of all, I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then keep this basic one turned off. Now I'm going to work on this layer to get it. Take this one to 70%. Then convert to a pixel layer and also create empty mask. Then again invert mask, so it shows this here. Base image is here. And I'm gonna, this is the line image. Opacity is 38 now, about 40%. If it goes 100%, too dark, so about 40. Okay, and then I'm gonna reveal this mask to show that base image used with painting to wet brush 1, which is this kind of moving texture, 1800 or so. Well, let's see it. Revealing, reveal here, you see. This brush is real neat. It's moving around. When you push it, it's go dark, but when you touch it slow, it's change the density. Okay, let's see the Now I was talking about the ribbon color. It's here, it's not much shows, but I guess, yeah, linear light is better, I think, on this ribbon and the hairstyle. But let's reveal some more. This is no cream, square lines. I don't want this frame, so take this one, create empty mask, convert, invert mask so we don't see anything, then reveal this. You see the pencil line here. Let's reveal. Okay, almost done. Well, thank you for watching my video, everybody, and I hope you guys get some kind of idea to use these layers and colors and brushes and stuff. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.